I'm gonna take this one single hi-hat sample and turn into this in 4 minutes. So the first thing that we do, just off hat, we do something like this, right? And then I'm gonna actually consolidate this part, and I'm gonna go for groove and just pick a 16 groove. Something like this, bring this down, increase this down a bit, bring this down, here we go. Now we are slightly off grid. Super cool head sample. By the way, if you are making melodic techno or neighboring genres, and if you haven't tried my new Onyx Melodic Techno sample pack, you are missing a lot. It is one of those sample packs that you buy once and you use the rest of your life. And this sample is coming there as well. The second thing that we are going to do, provide accent. I'm going to duplicate this 2 times and take some pieces from the tail. We need something short. The same thing over here, maybe we can go a little bit up here. Let's build our accent. And we will add random panning to these two. Together now. Cool, isn't it? Now I need then 16 hats to give me a bit more driving feel. New, and I'm gonna just duplicate this down there. Delete these ones. Now I need a 16th rolling pattern. The same thing. Go for the swing, the same, so that they match each other. If you listen to this, it's a bit dark. I need something a bit brighter for my 16 hats. What I'm going to do, take this and transpose it up a little bit and shorten it up. Right, much more snappier. Listen together. So we're gonna do the same thing over here. Bring down the volume a bit. And I'm gonna distort a little bit so that I can bring those ups a bit more. Here we go. Bring down the volume. I'm gonna cut a bit more. And then I will create a room so that we feel like these hats are inside the room. I'm gonna get a plate reverb. You can use any plate reverb that you have. I'm gonna send off hats first. Shorter, a bit dry, a bit on the middle, and afterwards I'm gonna use actually EQ so that I can make it a bit brighter. Together. And finally, I want the pumping feel from my 16 hats. I'm gonna get a compressor, put it on the 16 hats, and start chain from the kick. And final juice is grouping up them together, adding a bit of distortion. And all together now. Follow me for more tips like this.